All right, today we'll be actually showing you how you can add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. So if you don't already, definitely use either Brave or Google Chrome and download this MetaMask Chrome extension. You can see right up here with this little Fox logo. So if you have that installed, you can go ahead and click on this. Should show you a menu like this. Right now you're on the Ethereum mainnet, so you would just pop in your password, unlock. This is a test account I have set up just to show you for the purpose of this video. To add the Binance Smart Chain, you're going to want to go up here and go to Settings. When you're in Settings, you're going to want to scroll down, and you see this Networks tab. Add and edit custom, what does it say? RPC networks. This is what you want to go ahead and click on. And you can see, the Binance Smart Chain isn't actually shown on here. And the way we fix this is actually going down to add a network. And for this next part, just because sometimes they update it, I will have a link in the description. I'll also have a link for where you can download this Chrome extension and just for MetaMask in general. But I'll also have one from actually Binance Academy. Basically, they show you how you add each individual things. But for now, I'll just enter these in as I kind of look at this. One thing to keep in mind is when you're adding this, you don't want to be switching tabs. You want to have on another device, the link that I'll have in the description for this Binance Academy, these kind of data inputs ready, so you can just pop them in. You don't have to go up here and switch tabs or anything, because it'll close you out if you're doing that. So here, all right, so let's go. Yes. Apologize. While I type this in, I'm gonna be a little quieter. Right, so http://bsc dataseed.binance.org, and then you go down, you see chain ID, you want to pop in 56 right there. And again, I would recommend clicking that link, not just following exactly what I'm doing here, because it could update. These chains are always updating. And then Block Explorer. All right, for this we're using https bs let me just make sure all this is correct. So you have Smart Chain right here. You have https://bsc dataseed binance.org. You have 56. Then you have BNB, and then at the Block Explorer. This is optional, but you have a BSC scan. Yep. .com. All right. So when you click save, you should have this now added and to your networks. And this is what's key. So yep, right here it says Smart Chain. So you want to go ahead and click on this. And a malicious can lie about the state of the blockchain or record of your data. Only add custom networks you trust. So this is a trustable smart chain because it is through Binance. And again, one of the reasons I think this is so important is to use something like a Cakeswap, which we have a video on. And this is very, very important, so you just understand exactly how you can add these networks to your MetaMask account, because you want to use incredible applications like PancakeSwap that is built on Binance, because it has much lower fees than something like Uniswap has. So once you have this connected, you can actually now send and receive assets to this Binance smart chain setup here. So like for example, we could go to assets, we could add an asset and go Cake. Cake should show up. Okay, no. So for Cake, actually, it would be custom token, but you can check out my video on that. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, definitely leave a comment down below. As always, like, subscribe button all, invest global, and until next time.